I clearly was wrong, and I owe you an apology. In a previous video, I explained how I could save you 50% on doing lost leader sales in saving money. And I had a viewer, don't know if they subscribed or not, but they did leave a comment stating that I did nothing but show them about coupons. I did a lot of talking, tried to explain stuff, but I am so off base and I just had no information to share because it was all lies. So I do apologize to you that I misled you and said that I could save you 50% on your shopping. I saved you 55%. Bam. Now what? Okay. So we went up to our local Safeway, and as I stated in another video, they had 8 pounds for $1.77. Now, I don't get the 8 pounds. It's an 8 pound limit. I ask for 7 pounds. If they go over 7, I'm good. The reason for that is I learned a couple of times and had to question it. If they weigh it and it's over 8 pounds, you'll pay the difference. So, example, this chicken is $2.99 a pound at regular price. The red hot deal is $1.77 a pound. Now, if it's over 8 pounds, you will pay the difference of $1.77. You'll pay the difference by paying $2.99 for whatever that extra weight is. So to not get screwed, I say, give me 7 pounds of chicken. So Kevin gets his 7. It actually came out to 7.1, and mine came out to 6.8. I'm good. Okay, we did that. And then we got our corn. 16 ears for 19 cents an ear, 4 dozen eggs, and a gallon of milk. That was just an extra because I needed it. So with that stated, Kevin's bill was $20.40 because he got half it on his savings card. So he got a 50% savings. I got milk included in mine. And for whatever reason, I got an additional savings on, my chicken was less. So on mine, I got $19.99 is what I paid. I saved $17.99. I got a 55% savings. So there you have it. So this video, I'm going to finish it up with some prepping. I'll attach snippets so it's not long and dragged out. But I dry canned some flour, which you'll see. Beautiful. And there we go. All sealed. Let's do another one. Okay, let's get the last jar done. And there we go. I froze some cheese I bought on sale and shredded it. You get more for your buck if you shred it yourself. And the other thing I'm going to work on while I am prepping meat is I have some cheese I also bought, and I need to get that prepped. Now, when we buy this, we buy it only when it's a lost leader sale, and we got 3 of these for $5. And then I shred them at home, and I put them in individual bags, so it makes cooking easy, and I don't waste cheese. I use my food processor, and I shred it. Just this simple. Here we go. How much shredded cheese those 3 blocks will give you. And look how beautifully it seals the cheese. Let's continue. And I packaged up some 77-cent pork loins. Let's get those packaged and sealed as well. Now, I do these several ways. If you followed me on my videos, you'll see that I have made sausage out of these pork loins, and I have frozen them this way. Made 30 pounds of sausage last time. So I'm going to put in here probably 3, because by the time you get the bone out of there, that makes a nice meal with 3 of those. And look how beautiful those are sealed. Isn't that great? And we're gonna go ahead and get the corn in a pan, blanched for about 5 minutes at a steady boil. And then we'll take it off the cob and we'll freeze it. Chicken's gonna get ground up. I'm gonna grind up all the chicken to ground chicken because it's very versatile that way. And let's get moving. And before we start getting this food prepped, it's time for another latte and, of course, some toast from the lovely loaf of bread I baked. I stuck this in my bread maker last night about jam, and it was ready this morning when I woke up. Isn't that beautiful? Making your own bread at home will save you money. Your body will thank you because you're not putting those chemicals in your body. Look how beautiful that is. So let's do 4 slices to have with our latte. So I'm going to get this sliced, toasted, get our lattes made, then get busy. Right, so let's get this corn shucked into the pans, and then we'll move on. So the next task at hand is to get this chicken ground into ground chicken. Let's get it done. Consider the amount of food you can make from $24 worth of chicken breast boneless on sale. This is a total of about 13 pounds. Now, whether you grind it or cut it into individual chicken strips, you can feed yourself and your family for a long time on this amount of chicken. Let me get this bagged. I'm gonna bag my ground chicken for 2 people, 1 serving. Now, if it's you by yourself, make your portions smaller. If it's you and a family, make your portions larger. But I bag it to vacuum seal it, 2 people, 1 meal. So let's get started here. The great thing about having this ground is I can cook it and serve it many different ways with many different recipes. And look how beautifully that is sealed. I finished up with the chicken. So with my ground chicken, it cost me $22 and some change. I was able to get 17 servings, individual bags, packaged and frozen. And I like to do the math. So $22 divided by the 17 bags of chicken meals that I have laying right here. You're not gonna do better than that at Mickey D's or Chick-fil-A. But this is costing $1.30 a meal, $1.30 a serving for 2 people. Now, I'll give you 10 cents for the bags, although they don't cost that much. So let's do it $1.40 or 70 cents a person. You're still not gonna weather that good at that fast food. Let's move on to the corn. First things first, let's get the corn cut off the cob. All right, I got my bowls washed, got my cutting board out, we're ready to rock. So after I've blanched my corn for about 5 minutes on high heat water, I just cut it off the cob. Then I can bag it, you'll see, freeze it, and I have individual servings of fresh corn whenever I want. Now I cut it off the cob to freeze it for a couple of reasons. One, it freezes easier because it takes up less space than trying to freeze the whole cob. Secondly, I wasn't born with these pearly whites. I've got veneers. We don't want to break them. So this is what $3.04 worth of corn looks like. So my question is, if you have the ability or capability to can or freeze, why are you still buying canned corn or freezing or frozen corn at the supermarket? This would cost you way more than $3 if you bought it any other way. Let's get it bagged. Isn't that sealing up nicely? Now I have been able to get 15 bags of corn out of those 16 ears that cost us $3.02. So I've gotten 15 bags. If I divide that 15 bags by $3, it's costing me 20 cents a bag. Do the math. Let's finish this up. I've given you the insight. I've given you what we do to shop to save money on lost leaders. I've given you the proof. I've given you the math. I've given you the end results. You can have a great, nutritious, healthy dinner for $2 for 2 people. Do the math. I already did it for you, and I've proven it. So what are you waiting for? Do your shopping wisely. Use your lost leader deals. Get your items that are on sale only. Ignore everything else. Move on. I thank you for coming along on this journey. Don't forget to hit subscribe. Hit the like button so YouTube sends it out so other people can see it. I've got corn to freeze. Until next time, take care of yourselves. Ciao.
No apologies. You do you, boo.